what God needs. One more victim. Why do we crucify ourselves every day? I crucify myself. Nothing I do is good enough for you. I crucify myself every day. I crucify myself. My heart is sick of being, still my heart is sick of being in chains. Oh, oh, chains. Oh, oh, got a kick for a dog, begging for love. I gotta have my suffering so that I can have my cross. I know a cat named Easter. He says, will you ever learn? You're just an empty cage, girl, if you kill the bird. I've been looking for a savior in these dirty streets, looking for a savior beneath these dirty sheets. I've been raising up my hands, driving up a nail in. Got enough guilt to stop my whole